Hey guys, on this video we're gonna replace the brake pads and rotors on this Mazda. I believe is 2022 Mazda 6. So first thing, I'm gonna take the wheel off, put it to the side. We're gonna twist this so you guys can get a better view. First thing, I like to squeeze the caliper a little bit, just enough to get this loose. We're gonna retract the piston and the caliper slowly. I'm gonna lift this a little bit so the air comes out. There you go. Otherwise you're gonna have like the bubble of the plastic. You're gonna have it like popping out, and then you're gonna have a hard time putting it back in place. We're gonna put a little bit of anti-seize to eliminate noise, grinding noise when you press the brakes. Okay, let's put this in here. Let's hang that on this side. Now we're gonna take the bracket bolts. All right. We're gonna take that to the press. Now, these rotors should come out, but it's not coming out that easy, so we're gonna hammer it a little bit. Let me get a hammer. Let's get it loose a little bit. Here we are in Chicago, so a lot of rust. Like I said, these cars, I believe it's 23, it's already getting rusted. We're gonna put anti-seize here so next time it's not too hard. Alright, now we're gonna take the bracket to the other side on the press. Okay guys, okay, we're gonna shave it a little bit, clean it. The reason that I do that is so the brake pads are not too tight on it, especially here in Illinois with these crazy weathers. They put salt on the streets and so get all the cars rusted. All right, now we're gonna clean these pins. Put new grease on. Put a little extra grease. When it goes in, it stays inside of the, there you go, right here in the rubber. There you go. This is what you want to see on these pins. Loose. So when you brake, it loosens the brake pads. Okay, we got the new pads, got the bracket ready. Let's go put it on. All right, let's put the rotor back on, the new one. The reason that I'm putting the lug nut on so the rotor is not moving. Now we're gonna put our bracket. All right. Let's put our brake pads on. See? That's what we want. We want the brake pads to be loose, so when the piston or the piston of the caliper press to brake, release, you want this to move back so it's not braking. There we go. See, That's why I clean the bracket really good, so I don't got an issue putting it in, and these are not too tight. So now we're gonna put our caliper back on. Remember to lubricate your caliper. Oh my goodness. All right. All right. Beautiful. If after you put the caliper and the brake pads and this is like tight, something wrong. So you have to redo it. Alright guys, we just got to put the car down and torque the wheels, and that's it. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. Be good.